This is not a fiction film. This was filmed between the hours of 4:27 and 5:13. This is a story of a true family's struggle to get home. Okay, so heading home from the mall. The road's kind of slick and we've started fishtailing a couple times. My mom is having a mental breakdown.
You need to shut up. Leave me alone.
Fred.
I am just concerned for our safety.
We're next to a gasoline tanker, so we're safe.
Okay.
You know, we get iced over, we just have him fill us up. Come on.
See,
Wrong control.
it's already intense.
Come on, people. What? Can we not get off here? Are they exiting off?
There's a wreck up there.
Hell on earth. On the rocks, frozen over. See, it's already getting intense. Dadgummit.
It's that stupid black pickup needs to get off. Just keep moving.
The four-wheel
ice.
drive trucks are like the most scared out of everybody. See?
It's
We
ice,
just started
honey.
fishtailing.
I'm doing the best I can.
Okay, just let me.
Almost there.
Sliding.
I'm sliding. Stupid people. If they'd have just kept going 25 miles an hour up that hill, there would have never been any issues. I'm sorry I got so emotional, but people just need to realize
I got it.
when you're on ice, you just have to roll. You can't stop. It's slick. It's ice.
If you stop, you're gonna slide.
What's going to happen? Yeah, you're going to slide.
Hey, stop by the liquor store.
No, I'm not. Drive slow but steady. It's the stop and starting that causes the problems.
And it's
Don't
also the
panic.
going fast.
Stay focused. Turn into the slide.
Oh, let's get the.
We're close to home, but we're still a long ways to go.
There's people at the Dairy Queen in the blizzard. Or are they going to get ice cream? What's the deal?
Wintertime's the best time to eat ice cream.
I think it's cold and they're not getting in. Oh, they're turning out the lights. The poor people. Oh, fail. No ice cream. Here we go. Here we go.
I wonder if we should take the side roads.
The adventure may almost be over, but the hardest part is yet to come.
Is if we just gone home after Hewlin Mall.
Trauma in the car. We come upon an abandoned school. No.
Okay, nothing. We gotta get up. We gotta get up. Anybody coming that way?
Are you getting us?
Oh, there's go right there! Let's go right there!
Look behind us. I didn't care about that car.
I think the MVP of the trip is me. 'Cause 3, 2. Oh, the angel fell over. 1.
Oh, the angel.
Fail.
Oh, look at the carnage. Oh, we're
Not
still
all
sliding. We're still sliding.
Not all survived in the blizzard of 09. And we are home, y'all. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at these bulldogs. We made it. We made it from Ridgemar to Hudson Oaks to the side roads. You're totally about to fall. To home. Okay, now our bulldogs. Come on, Luce. Okay, you record because I gotta get the stuff.
Hi, Lucy. Hey, buddy. Get in the snow.
Hey, you wanna?
This is the craziest thing I have ever seen. Oh, okay, I'm going in. It's cold.